In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix processing image. Lots of people are creating images right now, message by ChatGPT. And in case you're wondering, this is how it looks like. So it says processing image. Lots of people are creating images right now, so this might take a bit. We'll notify you when your image is ready. And this is concerning a lot of people since their image is taking lots of time to load. So to fix it, you can just work around it by using another tool in ChatGPT. So let's open ChatGPT. And then over here, click on the top left where you see those two lines, and then click on apps. Click on GPTs at the top right. You'll see a list of all these GPTs. Just scroll down until you see by ChatGPT. And then over here, you'll see DAL-E, which is one of the most famous image generation models. Click on it, and then click on Start Chat. And as you can see, you're able to message him, and you can create your images using this model without any delays or traffic. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.